Welcome everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. I'm Pooja Kulkarni, and we have our guest speaker today with us to talk about unlock and weight loss and fat loss and all these words which are very near to us, and many of us are worried about these words. So considering that, since we have now from lockdown, we have now shifted to the unlock series now. So it's high time that our focus should also shift from only to the food. So now we should shift our focus to our weight and our, mainly I would say, not just weight but our healthy lifestyle. I know in during this lockdown period we have lot many constraints, because of which we could not follow the entire routine of our healthy lifestyle. But now it's the time, and now it's the phase where we can focus on our healthy lifestyle, and we have our expert to guide us on this. And who else would be the better option than our expert of the June month, Ms. Dipali Arora. Welcome, Dipali, to our today's session. How are you?
Thank you just for I'm good. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Now adjusting to the new routine and the new lifestyle, new normal after this unlock. And I'm sure many of our audience are also adjusting to this new normal. So in this new routine, it would be great if you can guide our audience for the weight loss and how they can shed those extra calories, considering the new normal routine of this unlock period. So please guide us with your opinions, and then we can continue our interview later.
Thank you so much, Pooja. And welcome all the viewers. Since the lockdown is over now and we are experiencing the unlock one, but that doesn't mean that the fear has gone, or the fear has already gone, but that doesn't mean that we can compromise on our immunity. We are going for our work, we are going for whatever the reason, we can freely move out. But the thing we need to focus here, we cannot compromise our immunity. Today we are talking about the weight loss. Yes, in lockdown period, we have really enjoyed our recipe. We really experimented a lot with our hands, and we tried lots of other recipe which we love to indulge in restaurants and fast food joints. But this is the time to stop. Moreover, the unlock one is going, that is okay, but the season is also changing. We are in June right now, and this is a summer season. And in summer season, we experience a low metabolism. We experience a low energy by its own. So we need to focus on, like, if we are continuing making our recipe which we were making 3 months back, so the situation has completely changed. The metabolism has completely changed. So we need to focus on the food which builds our immunity as well, that can help our weight loss. So first and foremost, I will talk about what type of diet you need to take. Is the diet should be low in quantity or high in quantity, or it should be high in quality. So the thing is, we need to concentrate on quality rather than the quantity. We need to focus see, the Marie biscuit which you take, a single Marie biscuit and a single fruit have a same calorie, but the quality is different. The Marie biscuit or the processed food you are taking, or the packaged food or the processed food you are taking, they must be low in calorie. But are they low in? Are they high in quality, or they are low in quality? So the natural form you are taking, they must be high in vitamins, minerals, and zinc, properly zinc. So the focus in Unlock 1 should be in the quality rather than the quantity and the counting the calories. And before talking about the food that we have to take, we need to focus on the food that we don't have to take, the food that we should stop right now. So the food that are high in sugars, the processed sugar, that should be stopped. The food that are processed, the food that are in the packets, that has to be stopped. The fried food. Now in summer season, stop making the fried food if you want your energy to be like, if you want to feel full energetic whole of the day. So the packet, see, in the where is the fault? The fault basically comes in the breakfast and in the snacking time. These are the two periods where most of the people make a fault. They avoid breakfast, they skip breakfast, because as of now we are in the home, or we are working from home, so we can sleep, we can wake up by our timetable, according to our timetable. And by doing that, we are making our routine like we are in a disturbed routine. So sometimes you're skipping breakfast, sometimes you're skipping lunch, and sometimes we are snacking more. So we need to focus on the quality of the diet first. And then second, what are the food items that we need to intake in this Unlock 1? The food items which they should be and they must be high in the nutrients that will build your immunity, that will build your energy, and that will repair your cells as well. Like the food you are taking, like if you're taking a fruit, that fruit is high in vitamin, high in all the kind of vitamins, all the kind of minerals, and all the essential micronutrients. See, when we go for a diet, or we go for any diet, we always concentrate on how much protein it has, how much carbohydrate it has, or how much fat should I focus on. But we forgot the main essential thing which has to be taken care of when we are losing our weight, and that is the micronutrients. So these micronutrients does not come from any packaged foods, any dietary foods. They always come from the natural sources, because their shelf life is so small that you need to take it, you need to pluck it, and you need to have it. Then you can have your micronutrients, full of micronutrients. So the quality and the quantity. Quantity means you need to focus on the portion size. As we have already discussed in our last webinar about the portion size, so you need to take care of the portion you are taking. When I say ki carbohydrate is very essential, or when I say ki protein and fat is very essential, it is essential when you take in certain quantity. So what we have talked ki we don't have to take fried foods or processed foods, or the food that are high in sugar. Now the food which we need to focus is that are high in fibers. Where the fiber comes from? It comes from the salad. So you need to take more of a salad. You can add your veggies in the atta, what you need to make a dough. So you need to make a recipe. Yeah, you need to make a recipe where you can add more of fiber in your diet. Some people don't feel like having a salad, so they can choose a recipe like where they can add the fibers. Like they can add it into their bowl of yogurt. They can add cucumber, tomato, onion, coriander. So they can make a bowl of dahi out of it. Or if they want to have some sugar, like if they crave for sugar, see, we don't have to indulge in sugar specifically in Unlock 1. So if they want some if they want something sweet, so they can make a yogurt which have a sweetened raisins in it, or they can make a fruit bowl out of that yogurt. They can add chia seeds and fruits and yogurt in a bowl, and that's a very good and nice form of and healthy form of a dessert. Now this is like we need to focus first. I'm having more of fiber. Now when it comes for the carbohydrate, carbohydrate should be in the limited quantity. It should not be less in quantity. It should not be more than than the quantity. Likewise, I said it should be a handful of your portion. So carbohydrate, because the carbohydrate is very essential as it provides energy. It provides energy to go out working whole of the day, energetic. And as far as protein is also protein and carbohydrate and fat should be in the moderate quantity. And by the fat, I mean, see the fat, when am I talking to, I need to concentrate on the quantity of the fat. See the see the fat. Fat comes in a number of forms. Like if you're having a butter, or you are having a ghee, or you are having a oil, and sometimes you don't even remember ki, at a whole day how much fat I have added to my diet. And if you are suppose if
Right.
you're yeah, if you're having some processed food, like if you're having chips, or if you're having biscuit, or if you're having any namkeen, you don't most of the people don't count this fat. So they say ki, oh no, I have used only small bit of fat in my diet, in my recipes, but still I am unable to lose my weight, because they forgot to calculate or they count the calories that are coming from the packaged food. If the digestive biscuits are saying ki they have no oil, then turn that paper and look for the nutrition facts. This is not possible
True,
with,
true.
yeah, without fat, they cannot increase the shelf life of the packaged food. So fat, the 4 teaspoons of fat you need to take in a whole day. And by 4 teaspoon, I mean in a whole day. Like if you are using 1 teaspoon in breakfast and 1 teaspoon in your lunch or dinner, then it has to be four in a total row. And if you are taking some seeds, like most of the people are taking seeds right now. So if you are taking a seeds and minus that 1 spoon out of that 4 spoon. So that need to be focused. And more concentrate more on fruits. See, fruits jo hai, they have all the essential micronutrients and all the supplements you take out, you search in the markets. So it has all the things. So they can provide you the minute energy if you are feeling lethargic, if you are feeling somewhat low in June season or a May season, starting from the May season, then start taking the fruits. And by this I mean ki if you start taking a fruit, you will your most of the cravings will also stop. And after 21 days or after 40 days, like how our body changes our blood cells after 45 days. So after 45 days, if you are taking a regular well balanced nutrient full diet, then you won't feel any craving anymore. So I need to focus on fruits, I need to focus on my fibers, and then comes the vegetables. The vegetables, see, if you want to before talking about the vegetable, I will talk about single point here. If you want to lose weight, don't go for any quick fat loss diets, because when you go for that quick fat loss diet, it will shed your calories, no doubt it will shed your calories very quickly, but it will leave you lethargic. It will leave a deficiency of some micronutrients, which the result you will face after sometimes. It may be after a month or a year, but it will relieve its side effects. So when the unlock,
Right.
when we are experiencing unlock, that means we can move out freely, but that doesn't mean the corona has gone. It has not gone. We need to build up our immunity, and by the immunity, I mean I should not focus on the quick fat loss diet. I should focus ki the food which I take, it will make up my immunity as well as it helps in shedding my weight. And then comes the part vegetables. In summer season, whatever vegetable we take, any seasonal vegetable, be bhindi, ghia, tori, any vegetable, they are already very low in calories. So when you take care of your fat part, like if I use only 4 teaspoon of fat in my recipe, and the vegetables, the god vegetables like tori, ghia, or petha, or pumpkin, means any vegetable which you experience in summer seasons are already low in calorie. So when you use more of the vegetable and less of your roti part, then this will gain your immunity but loses your weight. So we will more focus in this season, in this unlock one, we will more focus on losing my weight by the calorie deficit vegetables. Like they are
Right.
having the low calories, but they need more calorie. They take your calories to digest. So by this thing, by this formula, you can easily shed off your weight. So don't go for any quick fat loss diet. Go for the well balanced diet. And there are some last point, there are some superfoods which you can indulge in. Like you can go for the raisins. Raisins जो होते हैं, you can soak the raisin. It could be the small one, it could be the black one. So when you soak your 10 raisins overnight, it it has 3 times antioxidants than your grapes. It has all the things. It will provide you iron. It will provide you vital minerals. And same time, it will aid your weight loss. So always when you wake up in the morning, try to have your nuts, soaked nuts. We will always take a soaked nut. More of raisins because it's a summer season, so raisins work wonders here. So more of raisins and less of almonds, like 5 almonds, 10 raisins, and 2 whole walnuts. This is also so. So you need to kickstart your day from after having these nuts, and then include tomatoes in your diet. See, tomato have a lycopene, and when you cook your tomato, the lycopene जो होता है, that will leave its effect. The lycopene is an antioxidant. It will aid in weight loss, as well as it will build your immunity, as well as it will provide vitamin C. Or the tomato which you are using in your recipe, it will help in absorption of the iron from that recipe. Like if you are making some green vegetable and if you add tomato in it, it will absorb all the iron out of it. So tomato you need to include. And if you have a drumsticks or moringa plant nearby you, so you can use that drumsticks in your recipes, because the drumsticks are very much high in calcium, very much high in iron, and it has a great amount of potassium in it. And same time, it is very low in calories. And you can include seeds if you want to cut down your fat. Some people are very conscious about cutting down the fat, so they can replace the fat with the seeds that should be soaked. Don't take the seed as a handful of seeds, because it's a summer season, it will take time to digest or assimilate. So if the seeds are soaked, it will be easy for you to digest it. And after that, you can take jeera water after your every meal. Why jeera water? Because jeera water helps in the digestion. It aids in the digestion. Sometimes you feel bloated, sometimes you feel heavy, then the jeera water will help you out. So these are the superfoods which you should include in this unlock one. Over to you, Pooja. And they can ask.
Absolutely, Dipali. It was a really wonderful, information which you have shared. And I hope these quick as well as the very important points, people must have noticed it and noted it down, because these are very important. And as you precisely said, immunity is now the need for an hour. So not just weight loss, but we should focus on a healthy lifestyle for building up a healthy body. That is very important. and all the points. As a being a dietitian, I completely agree with all your points which you have shared about the proteins, fats, fibers, fruits. Everything was absolutely perfect for our audiences. But Dipali, when we are talking about a healthy lifestyle and building up a healthy body, so we have discussed about diet. So now, what guidelines would you quickly like to share with our audience regarding exercise? Because since now certain restrictions are opened up, so people
Yes.
can go out for exercise. So
Yes.
guidelines you would like to add for the exercise part?
Exercise is the vital point. Actually, I missed it. The thing is ki, what important thing is in exercise, why we all focus on the exercise when the diet is concerned. 70% is diet and 30% is exercise. Why? Because the exercise increases your blood circulation, and when your blood circulates very nicely, then it will provide all the cells its required nutrients. So since we are having an unlock, so you can go out for a morning walk, or you can go for light exercise. But yes, if you are going out for a morning walk, then go in early in the morning, where you feel where you find a less number of people. Always maintain a social distancing and don't touch anything outside. And when the exercise is concerned, you can do it in your at your home. You can do weightlifting, you can do yoga, you can do dancing, whatever kind of exercise. But you need to take 30 to 60 minutes of you in the physical activity, which is very important. And as far as if we are like we have talked about the diet part, if we mix diet and exercise all together, then you can see the 100% result out of it. And by the exercise, I don't mean only a morning walk. Use every part of your body, like every joints of your body should be in the physical movement. So it has to be like the exercise you choose, it has to be like that ki each part of my body is getting benefit of the physical form which am I doing.
Right, very true. And I guess based on each individual's goal for weight loss, for fat loss, or for building healthy lifestyle, whatever may be the goal, based on that, exercise guidelines can be shared. So, because currently we are talking in general, but people can consult their dietitians or
Yes,
fitness experts for getting their own exercise plans.
yes,
So that
yes,
really benefit them.
because
So,
everybody is having some or other kind of problems, or they have
right,
different kind of goals, so they can go for the specific diet as and they can take the consultation.
right, absolutely true, Dipali. And since we have seen during our practice, we see a lot of people coming or clients coming to us with very particular goals, and they really follow diet and exercise routine. And for those people who are regularly doing exercise for 1 hour or for a particular time, so what advice you would like to give to them for pre and post meal? Okay, what meal they should have before exercise and coming back after exercise? Because this is a pretty common questions which people will might be asking you कि पहले मैं क्या खाऊं और बाद में क्या लेना चाहिए?
Right, right. See, if you are if you are doing regular exercise, see we have a different kinds of exercise. If you're doing a hardcore cardio exercise, so don't do any cardio exercise empty stomach. You can take your nuts, or you can take your fruits or a banana, and then go for the cardio exercise, because the cardio uses the energy. And when you go without when you go empty stomach, so the result won't come out like afterwards you feel very lethargic. And if you are doing a light exercise, or doing a regular exercise, then yes, you can take a banana, a single banana, or any fruit, or you can take a soaked nuts, which I talked about, like raisins, a bowl of raisins and almonds and walnuts. So you can take it, and afterwards, like after doing the exercises, again you need to take your fruits, and you can go and you can take your nuts, or you can take a banana, and then you can start your day. So it's very easy if you take the same things pre and post exercise, so it will become easy to remember. But the thing is ki, what I need to take is the focus. Matlab, we need to focus on कि if I have done my physical exercise, so my body needs some energy, and by that energy, and very important point is that कि whenever we do exercise, we feel more hungry. The body is very much ready to absorb all the things, and this is your choice. If you feed the body with like caffeine, like if you take a tea, your body will absorb that caffeine. If it will absorb that quality of caffeine, and it will feel you lethargic. But if you take a fruits or nuts or a healthy amount of diet, then this body will absorb all the vital nutrients.
Right, very true. And just to add that if they take protein, then that will, along with the suggestions which you have
Yes,
given.
yes, they
So,
can.
yes, so post
Yes,
workout, if they have protein, then that will help them to build the
yes,
muscle.
they can take a. Exactly, exactly, exactly.
Yes, absolutely. So that was more of discussion about exercise. Then we have started getting questions from our audiences, and we have certain questions with us. So, Dipali, the next question which was asked, it's about fruit. And we know the major mistake people make about fruits is the time when they eat fruits. So, can you throw some light about the fruits?
Yes, fruits have to be taken on empty stomach. So the breakfast is the best time to take fruits, and the evening is the best time to take fruits. So fruit has to be taken on empty stomachs. Don't go after meals. So most of the people have a habit to take fruits after their meal, after lunch or dinner. So if you want the nutrients of your fruit to be absorbed very well in the body, because it's an alkaline thing, it absorbs very quickly. So we don't want to mix it with our prior food, which takes 45 more than 45 minutes. So it has
Right,
to take an empty stomach if you want your nutrients to be absorbed well.
right, very true. And as you precisely said, they need to have the whole fruit than the juices.
Yeah, juices. It's better to go for the juice. Better to chew the fruits and slowly assimilate your nutrients rather than going for a juice.
Right, very true. Thanks for the advice, Dipali. But Dipali, you have spoken about the seeds, the use of seeds, and how they can include it in their diet for weight loss. So, I mean, taking these seeds regularly, is it going to help them in their weight loss? I mean, not just as a source of fat, but I mean, can it be a superfood for weight
Yes,
loss?
absolutely. It's a superfood because in a handful of seeds, you have all the phytonutrients, you have all the antioxidants. And if you're having a seeds, it's the positive aspect is you can cut down on your fat. You can lessen
Right,
your single spoon of fat. So the seeds provides you the omega-3 fatty acids, which the world is looking for in some or other fancy foods like we have some oils which have written ki added with omega 3, added with vitamin A and D. So it's nothing like that. Added means they have removed everything from it and they have added it.
right,
So better, so better to take seeds and better to take the whole good fats out of the seeds. So it will obviously help you in weight loss, because when you provide a body with absolutely correct nutrients, it will the body will automatically try to shed that extra calories.
Right, very true. So seeds are really a superfood we can consider for weight loss if
Yes.
consumed regularly in a required
It has to
amount.
be soaked.
Yes, it has
Yeah.
to be soaked. Right. We have one more question that is, it is really difficult for the people who have, sweet tooth to stop those sugar cravings. You have given certain solution for those sugar cravings, but still, when, people are unable to stop these cravings, so what would you suggest them?
See, if you have a very uncontrollable sugar craving, you need to work on your magnesium level. So, if we are facing some kind of craving right now, there must be, because that is a signal from the body that you are somewhere lacking in the micronutrient. It could be the magnesium or potassium. But when you are craving, so body is giving you a signal that go for the sugar, and your hand automatically go for the sugar. But yes, if you are working on it, started in the starting, make a boundary. Like post meal, you can take a piece of jaggery if you want to, and make a set a boundary. Like in a week time, I have one day which I can have my sugar, and side by side, replace this 6 days sugar with the fruits, with the sweetened yogurt which we talked about, fruit bowl, and with the jaggery. So these are the things you can replace your sugar with. But side by side, if you are following these guidelines, at there must that times will automatically will come when you don't feel the sugar craving anymore. So go for the boundary setup, and side by side complete your nutrient pool as well.
Okay, okay, right. Those who have sweet tooth and cannot leave that, this was the guideline for you. So you can note it down. The next question, Dipali, is about dinner, because we know as an expert कि dinner is the main time where people tend to eat a lot and unnecessary calories are gone in that stomach. So what healthy options you would like to suggest for making their dinner healthy?
Yes. See, the thing is, as far as dinner is concerned, most of the means 80% जो stats बताता है that 80% of people binge on the dinner. They have a family time in the dinner, so they make their recipes, or they can use a leftover of lunch as well and the breakfast as well in the dinner. But try avoiding that. If you want to make your healthy dinner, then cut down the portion size. See, if you it's better to take a one meal bowl. Now you can make a Buddha ball out of it. So when I am having my dinner, I should have it in a bowl rather than in a big plate or in a half plate. So whatever am I making, if you want to if you want to ask me about the recipe, then go for that recipe which has more of fibers in it. Like if you are taking a bowl of dal, then add your veggies in that dal, like cucumber, tomato, onion, coriander, and lemon. Sprinkle that lemon for that extra vitamin C, and then the bowl of dal is ready. And with that dal, you can have only a half katori, or sorry, a small katori of your rice, or the roti which is mixed with the fibers, like I talked about earlier, that you can knead atta with that vegetable. So more focus on the portion size. Whatever you are making, that is okay. But the thing is, you need to cut down that portion, because your metabolism slows down from the breakfast to dinner, and after dinner it's your bedtime. So body does not have much time to digest all those things. So dinner should be light. You can make khichdi also. You can make a vegetable dalia also. You can make a simple vegetable, like double the quantity of vegetable and lessen the quantity of roti or rice.
Right. So since activity is, I mean, there is no activity post
Yes,
dinner
yes,
apart from leisure walk. So light dinner options with more of fiber would be
yes,
the best choice for
yes,
people, I guess.
yes, yes.
So that's very rightly said. So since we are, getting questions, so we have got one question that. The person said, as I gained weight now during this lockdown, so now in this unlock period, now he has started walking. So I have started walking for 30 minutes per day. So any changes in the exercise pattern, or is it enough to continue?
See, when you have started something, when you have changed your routine, so you need to change it gradually. Since if you have started going for a walk for 30 minutes, it's okay, you can do 30 minutes of your walk, but after 15 days, try to increase your physical activity. Like if you are walking, since your legs are moving, but what about your upper body? And what
Hmm.
about your abdomen? Abdomen is not moving, so you can choose the exercise where you can use your every part of the body to work on. Because whenever, see, when I walk, it is a great form of like being active. But when you want to shed that calories, when you want to shed that weight, with the diet, with the guidelines which I have given you, that guidelines plus this 30 minutes walk, but plus after 15 days, try to add one or other exercise where your abdomen is involved or where your joints are involved.
Right, that's true. But even I feel, now since in the lockdown period, people were not doing some people were not doing exercise,
Yes, yes,
absolutely. And now they have started the exercise. So
yes.
I think we should throw some light on the part ki how much exercise they can start now, once, since they were not at all doing exercise and now they have started it. So how much to do it, or till what time they can do this exercise?
They can do it for 30 to 60 minutes as per their capacity. See, every single person, every individual has their own body. Some feel some feel very tired after
Right,
20
right,
minutes, some feel after 10 minutes, and some do only for 5 minutes and they feel very like. So you set your boundary. Like if your capacity is doing 30 minutes walk, then after 15 minutes, see, if you are doing everything at one go, so it is there will be a greater chance that you will land up doing nothing after 15 days. You will feel like, oh, I don't want to do
right,
anything. I am all fed up of all this thing. This is not my task. But if you gradually work on it, see, if we are talking about the healthy lifestyle, we need to work gradually on each and every aspect of our body. See, if he is doing 30 minutes of work, then after 15 days he can add that some extra minutes or some extra exercise to it. So you need to go gradually, and it depends upon person to person. See, I cannot give like you have to do 30 minutes when somebody have the capacity of doing only 20 minutes. At least he is starting. That is the important thing. At
right,
least he has decided to go for a exercise.
right. Very true. And at starting the
Yes,
exercise is a very important thing.
yes.
So this initiation point is very important.
Very important. It's very difficult to sustain it. For if somebody sustain for 1 or 2 months, na, he will go in long way. But if you start it and at a one go, everything at a one go, so you will end up doing nothing after some 15 or 20 days.
Absolutely. And I still would like to mention, which even Dipali had mentioned earlier, ki please take all the precautions while you are going out, wear your mask and, do not touch anywhere. So take all the precautions and then you can go out for exercise. So
Yes,
that,
safety is very much important these days.
yes, absolutely. Then, Dipali, we have few more questions. We'll just take one or two questions maybe. But there is a question about evening snacks also. That is the time when there is a lot of munching, which happens, munching of unhealthy foods, packaged foods, and ready-made food which is available easily. So, can you please help them with some healthy options for evening snacks?
Yes, before talking about the healthy option, let me tell you ki why you crave more in snacking part. See, it's very obvious, like everybody of us will feel like a little bit of hunger at 4 to 6 p.m. But if we have missed our breakfast, if we have skipped our breakfast or lunch, or if we have not taken enough nutrient in breakfast and lunch, then you will end up with excess of craving, and then you go out for anything, with whatever it will be on your pantry or in your fridge. So you take out anything which comes out from it. So the
Right.
thing is, first you need to focus on the breakfast and the lunch, and then comes the option. First of all, before starting the snacks, go for the healthy one, and then you can go for the processed one if you want to, if you so much crave for. See, if you are craving for something, then we need to gradually cut down that craving. And if I say ki if I have a habit of having a biscuit or a tea, and if I cut down right away, so after 10 or 15 days I will feel like ki okay, मेरे को अब ये नहीं करना. You feel like give up. So first and foremost, have some healthy option, like you can make a sprouts bhel, you can roast your makhana, you can roast your chana, and if you want, you can make a sandwich from your bread if you have a craving of breads and all. So you can add vegetables in it. You can make a hunker sandwich. You can steam your corns. You can take a steam corns. So there are n number of healthy option if you look for. You can simply you can cut your fruits and you can take your fruits. So there are very much options, but you need to focus ki first meal that goes into my mouth, it should be a
Right.
healthy.
Yes, so focusing on healthy option is more important, rather than we just focus on कि मैं ये ले सकता हूँ या वो ले सकता हूँ, but people need to smartly make healthy choices. कि what is healthy for me and what is healthy for my body. So that smart choice will really help them in a long go.
Yes.
That we can say. Pali, we are almost towards the end for our session. So, we have talked about immunity part also. So, I mean, nowadays, building up your immunity is everyone's priority, even for kids or even for elderly. So, what foods would you like to suggest, or for building up the immunity?
See, immunity building up has become a market today. So everybody is looking for the food ki which is very matlab that builds my immunity. But the thing is ki if you want to build up your immunity, look for the colors. If the more the colorful the vegetable, more the antioxidant it will have, and more the oxidative stress. Like oxidative stress is a kind of word, like whenever the body repair, it releases the free radicals. So these free radicals causes the disease, and these antioxidants removes that free radicals. So basically, go for any colorful vegetables, any fruits, any vegetable which has colors in it, like green, yellow, white, any colors. So the thing is, ki if you more cook it, if you overcook your food, the color will disappear. And by the color, I mean the antioxidants will disappear. So go for more of the colorful things.
Right. So include more of colors in your diet, so that will
Yeah.
for your eyes also. That's good for your appetite also,
Yes.
and that's good for your immunity also. So very nice suggestions, Dipali. And I'm sure or our audience must be now at least well versed with the options or the tips, easy to follow tips, which we can say which will help them for continuing their health continuing their healthy lifestyle habits. So follow these healthy habits in your diet regularly, because building up immunity or building up healthy lifestyle, it does not happens in a day or in a month. You need to practice it regularly, and making them as a habit is very important for anyone to have a healthy lifestyle. So thank you so much, Dipali, for throwing a wonderful light over the diet and exercise routine, which people can now follow in this unlocking period. Not just unlock your lockdown in your homes, but unlock your health also, and make your lifestyle a healthy lifestyle, and not just for a few months, but or not just to prevent corona, but just to make your body a
Yes.
healthy body, and for yourself it is important. And I'm sure
Yes.
calling you back, Dipali, again for Just for Hearts. We were really happy to have you back, and I'm sure audience was
Thank you,
also.
sir.
And we would definitely love to have you on our platform regularly.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, audience, for joining us. Keep following us on Facebook, YouTube for regular such webinars or on different topics for health, fitness, and wellness. We are also running a lot of contests for our viewers. Currently, since 21st June is our yoga day, so we are also running a contest for yoga day, and people have shared their yoga charya, their yoga routines with all of us. So if you want to have a look at it, then please visit our Just for Hearts YouTube channel, where you will get to know a lot of how people are following yoga in their normal routine, and how it is benefiting them. That is also they have shared. So please go and check the YouTube channel for the videos. And I'm signing off right now. See you again at 5 o'clock on our YouTube channel, because we are continuing the same discussion on weight loss and calorie intake. And our senior expert, Ms. Divya Sanglikar, is going to talk to us about the same weight loss topic. So don't miss the session, but not on Facebook. You can come back to our YouTube channel, right? See you at 5 p.m. Thank you. Thank you so much.